Today we are in the northern part of Bali visiting Banyumala Waterfall. Whether you arrive at Banyumala Waterfall by car or by scooter, there is a parking lot where you can park it, and from there you can start your 20-25 minutes walk down to the waterfall. After a short walk on a paved road surrounded by wonderful greenery, you arrive at the entrance.
The entrance fee is 50,000 rupiah per person, and we got 2 bottles of water for free. And as you can see, the way is getting harder and harder.
Entrance down to the waterfall, there are steep stairs, so be prepared accordingly.
If you come here, please wear shoes, not flip-flops, and be careful. It's insane. And there is the waterfall. And maybe we are going to be the first one.
It's 9:20 in the morning, but there are already some other tourists. It's something you should keep in mind when you're coming to Bali. It is almost impossible to be alone somewhere or be the first. This place is absolutely incredible. It literally looks like a place from a fairy tale. Here are 2 bridges from where you can take amazing photos and videos of the waterfall. After taking those videos, it's time for a nice swim. Banyumala is the only waterfall where the water is deep enough to have a good swim, so don't forget to bring flip-flops and a towel with you because it's an experience you shouldn't miss.
Per person for this experience is like nothing. If you come here, you can really enjoy it. You can swim, you can sunbathe on the rock, like we are sitting on the rocks right now. You can swim, you can have a great swim because the water is for the first time very cold, but if you get used to it, it's fine. And the waterfall is not very strong, so you can go quite close to the waterfall.
Yeah, kind of not so strong. And for the second time, it is not as cold as for the first time.
Surrounded by beautiful greenery, beautiful plants, beautiful flowers. If I lived here, I would come here every day.
As it's almost midday, it is getting more and more crowded, so we'd better go and check the other waterfall here. Here we are, so this is Banyumala Twin. Less impressive than the other one, but still very beautiful.
As you may know, Bali doesn't require drone permission, so you can fly drone freely, just always be cautious and take care.
Wherever we look, there is a new flower we haven't seen before. It's a must-see place for all nature lovers out there. We are on the way back to the car. It is worth wearing trainers and comfortable clothes because it might be a bit too dangerous in flip-flops to climb these stairs. So many stairs, a big climb.
Még mindig van sok föld.
There are some monkeys, and since there are monkey attack in Nusa Penida, I'm so afraid of monkeys. Here in Bali you can encounter macaques almost everywhere, especially when you are visiting waterfalls or walking around in the jungle. Before you arrive back at the parking lot, there is a local warung, a local resto, where you can eat local dishes and have some cold drinks and a coconut for very affordable prices. There are banana trees, mango and papaya trees, huge plantations. If you are in Bali, we truly recommend not only visiting the waterfalls near Ubud, but also heading to the north and visiting this waterfall. The waterfall itself and its area are literally something out of a fairy tale.
Thank you for coming with us to Banyumala Waterfall today. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.